How long does it take to install a concrete floor in a house? The time it takes to install a concrete floor in a house can vary depending on several factors, including the size of the area, the complexity of the project, and the specific requirement of the installation. Here are some general guidelines. Preparing. Before pouring concrete, the existing floor must maybe need to remove or prepare. This could involve excavation, leveling, and secure a proper base. Pouring and leveling. Once the preparation is complete, the concrete pouring and leveling, the time it takes for this step depending on the size and the thickness of the concrete slab. Curing. After the concrete is poured and leveled, it needs time to cure. Curing is certainly a step in the process, and it typically takes at least a few days. The concrete needs to be kept moist during this time and ensure proper strength and durability. Finishing. After the concrete is cured, the surface may be finished, polished, or sealed, depending on the desired final look and functionality. This step can take additional time. Drying and final inspection. The concrete needs to dry completely before it can be subject to normal use. This total time for drying can be varied, but is usually several weeks. For a final inspection may also be necessary to ensure the quality of the insulation. Considering these factors, the entire process of installing the concrete floor in a house can take anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending on the size and the complexity of the project. It's essential to follow the proper instruction and allow efficient time for each step to ensure durability and will be finished the concrete floor. Additional external factors like weather condition can also impact it. Impact the timeline on the concrete insulation. So as you can see, this is some information on how to approach your concrete floor or concrete slab in a house, in a garage, in a basement. Same process. If you think this video was educational or interested, please leave a like, subscribe, press the notification bell to see more videos like this. And you can see my other videos about concrete slab, concrete roof, and so on.
You never see it. You can't cut today, you never get to cut no more you have to cut. You never get it. Just a round off the top of it. Floating on this, no? Can't run, you know. That's what they tell about the straight edge of the board. If you alone at work and you set the thing right, you can't spoil nothing. But you lie further away. You know what to do. You know what to do. No, man, you have to be one long something, man. Watch me. If you have one marker, you have to watch me.